So if you guys didn't know, this is pretty much the L-shaped desk that I built in previous videos. I got me some LED strips. I want to do the underneath of this right here. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and just bringing you along, because this desk has been pretty well, a build progress on a channel. So we might as well get started with it today. Look over the cable management. This is actually just temporary. I do got a quick connect on some other things, and this is not the permanent setup for this. So I just bought some basically LED strips off eBay. Now this is probably a 8-foot strip of just regular RGB LED, and if you can tell, it's cuttable. So that means you could cut this and use this in any size you want, and just solder your ends on it. It did come sticky back, but I am going to be using a glue gun too to help it stick. Ever so often I'm going to put a drip of glue on it. Just to help it adhere better. That is the hardest part. The corners. Looks like I am out of glue, and I have to figure out how to load this. So we loaded back up, guys. Let's continue what we're doing. Put a little bit more glue here. I'll be a little bit more spacious with it now. Basically, this is an RGB header. You can tell by looking at it. It comes with this handy dandy RGB to USB, simple to connect. I mean, anybody could do it. It goes together like that. So what I'm going to do is feed this through here, right in here, and just leave this like so. That way it'll be hidden and out of the way. Now it does only hook up one way, L to LO, just like so. You can put some hot glue on that if you're worried about that coming off. I will later, but this works for now. Now to hook this up, you can hook it to a TV, anything that gets power, one of these little power outlets. That's what I'm going to be hooking this into temporarily for now. Because, why not have more cables? Well, this was a short video, guys. I do need to do some cable management, but the desk is looking extremely good. I got Warzone put up here on PS5. The little computer, like I said, we did here recently, is doing great. I actually got it hooked up and actually been using it. But this desk and stuff has got a long way to go before I get it set up fully the way I want it, and all the the other computers and stuff hooked up here with this computer, and my other screens mounted. So we actually got a lot more stuff to do. You just have to stay tuned. But let me know in the comment section what you think about the lighting. Is it too much? Not enough? Or what would you do next? Thank you for watching.